Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser fan on Opel Meriva. The AC condenser fan is located just in front of the AC condenser. It's located right there. We'll see it in a second. It's located right there. In order to get access to the AC condenser fan, first we need to remove this grill. It's held by 4 plastic clips that I've already loosened. I just need to pull them out, and then I'll pull out the grill. Now that the grill is removed, I have access to the AC condenser fan. In order to get the AC condenser fan out, it's held by 2 nuts right there, and also electrical connector. We need to remove those 2 relays, and then we'll take it out. There's also a couple of cables that are held onto the AC condenser fan. They're held by cable ties, so we might need to cut the cable ties in order to remove the cables, and then we'll get it free and remove it. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we need to remove those 2 relays, but in order to remove them, their cables are held by a cable tie on the bottom of the AC fan. Once we loosen the cables, we're going to remove the 2 relays. On this side it is the same. There's a couple of cables held onto the AC fan. We need to remove them. And next we're going to remove the 2 nuts holding the AC condenser fan to the condenser. Now the AC condenser fan is already loose, but in order to remove it, we need to again cut some cable ties that are holding on to the AC condenser fan, and then we'll take it out. And now we can take the AC condenser fan out. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.